You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. For more food names, German food names in particular, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up that many get wrong, so stay tuned. So let's start with the German pronunciation, the way it's said in Germany. Bratwurst. Bratwurst. In English, the pronunciation, if you cannot pronounce German perfectly, you can say it's usually pronounced as Bratwurst. Bratwurst, yes, W pronounced like a V in German, and in English, in this case, Bratwurst. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.